Hi, I'm Jeff Moisan.
And I'm Scott Poland, and we're from Home Group Realty, and we're here to introduce you to Mill House, which is Granite Homes' newest collection of urban residence located in Hespeler.
This collection of residences has a total of 20 stacked townhomes consisting of 1, 2, and 3 bedroom units starting from the 300s. So let's take a further look into what Mill House has to offer.
At Mill House, the expertly designed floor plans were created with living luxury in mind. Personalize your space by selecting interior finishes that reflect your style and enrich your everyday experience.
The finishes provided by Granite Homes are outstanding. Each home within Mill House will have a gourmet kitchen and designer bathrooms. Your kitchen will have custom cabinetry with soft closed doors and granite countertops with an undermount sink. Your bathroom will also feature granite countertops and tubs with tiled surround walls, and 13 by 13 ceramic tile flooring. You'll also love the selection of luxury vinyl plank flooring. And for an added sense of security, each of these homes will be covered by Granite Homes Warranty Advantage, which extends the length of the Tarion 1 and 2 year warranties.
Mill House was built for those that seek an urban lifestyle but desire a connection to nature. Enjoy the Silver Heights Park and the trail system just behind your home that meanders its way through Mill Pond in downtown Hespeler. Whether you choose to walk, bike, or drive, you won't have to travel far to experience savory restaurants, convenient shopping, and new explorations.
As you can see, this is an exceptional new offering from Granite Homes.
So give us a call today to schedule your appointment and discover Mill House in more detail.